Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to play Good Life on guitar. We'll begin by mastering the 4 essential open chords that form the backbone of this uplifting song. These are the G major, D major, E minor, and C major chords. Practicing these transitions smoothly is key to getting the rhythm right. Don't worry if it feels a bit tricky at first. Consistent practice for just 10 to 15 minutes daily will make a huge difference in your playing. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is crucial for capturing the song's energy. The basic pattern is a simple yet effective down, down, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand moving consistently, even during the upstrokes where you might not hit all the strings. Focus on a steady rhythm, perhaps using a metronome set to about 120 beats per minute, to keep everything in time and sounding great. Understanding the song's structure will help you play it seamlessly from start to finish. Both the verse and chorus sections utilize the same 4-chord progression: G, D, E minor, and C. The bridge, however, offers a slight variation, often starting on the C chord. Listen closely to the original track to internalize these changes. Practicing each section individually for 5 minutes before combining them will build your confidence and accuracy. To truly master Good Life, consistent and smart practice is essential. Begin by practicing each chord change slowly, perhaps just switching between 2 chords at a time, without strumming. Once comfortable, introduce the strumming pattern at a slow tempo, gradually increasing your speed. Playing along with the original recording is an excellent way to fine-tune your timing and feel for the song. Aim for 3 to 4 practice sessions each week, each lasting 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.